Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In the last session, we have seen the basic interface of this software, and today we will learn about some project settings, as the project settings are very important and they play an important role in the overall working. So first we can simply click on this cross button to get rid of the default drawing, and then from here we can click and create a new drawing. Now you can see two different type of templates. One is metric and one is empirical. So we will start with the metric. Now we can simply go again back to the same tab and here click on save, or we can save from here or simply press Ctrl plus S and then give a specific directory. Here I'm saving on the desktop. Here we can give it a name like lecture 3, and from here we can give any specific format. I have kept DWG for 2018 so that anyone with 2018 and the newer version could access it. Like mentioned before, here we have a complete list of different layers. They are assigned with different type of properties like colors, etc. But if we click on layer properties, we can actually access them from here. We can right click on new group filters, and now we can create our own filter for the layers. Like if we are going for a topology, so we can give it a name. From here we can click and create a new layer. We can give a name like track, click again and give another name like rivers. Again we can give another name like terrain. Another thing is that from the all group we can simply drag and drop on the topology so that we get that specific layer to this filter. Now if we see the different layers, we only see these four that we just created. We can delete them like this as well. Now moving next, here we can change the overall scaling like 1:1, 1:2, and simply even up to 1:100 and 1:1000. So we'll keep it to 1:1000 for now. From here, we can go to drawing utilities and then click here. The first tab shows the general data like the location, the name. In the summary, we can give a specific title, a subject, author name, the keywords, few comments, and even the hyperlink. In statistics, we get different stats of this drawing, and then we have the option for the customs. Again, under drawing utilities, we have these drawing settings. Starting with the units, we can go with the meter or feet. Then for the angular, we have degrees, radians, and so on. The available coordinate system is no datum, no projection. However, we can give the latitudes and longitude system, but then we have to assign a specific latitude and longitudes. For instance, if we are working for Colombia, we have to find a specific set of coordinates. Like here, this one is perfect. Here you can see this is the system code. Another thing is to directly find that country and then select it. Like here we have Colombia, so we can select it like this. And then we can look for different type of regions. Other than that, we have few more options. If we go all the way down after these countries, we have this option. So we can choose the arbitrary XY coordinate system. For now, let's choose Colombia again, and in the region, we will choose this west zone. Now we can go to the transformation. Here we have different options. We can apply the transformation settings like for the sea level, scale factor, and even the rotation point. So it depends upon your project and your working execution. Then we have some object layers. So if you are dealing with the alignment, it will automatically save in the C road. Similarly, for each command and the process, it has automatically assigned a specific layer. Under abbreviations, we have different type of abbreviations for different commands. You cannot learn all of them by heart at this stage, but with the passage of time, you will definitely get used to them. Then we have some ambient settings, like for the coordinates, we can select the units from these. We can select the precision, the rounding off, and the sign. Similarly, if we look for the elevations, we get the units, precisions, rounding, and sign. Same goes with the latitudes and longitudes, but this time we have the format, direction, and capitalization. Once we are done, we can simply hit on apply and then click on OK. The next thing is we simply go and click on save as. This time we want to create a template. So we go for the DWT format, and now we already know that we are in the matrix. So we can select this one and then rename it as Autodesk Civil 3D Matrix Custom Columbia West. So each time we want these settings, we simply create a new drawing with this specific template. Now we can give a specific description like Columbia West, metric, anything you want. The only main thing is that you remember which template belongs to which settings. For instance, I simply close this drawing, go for a new one, and now under templates, I have this new one. We can simply click on it to open these set of settings. Let's cross check, go to the drawing utilities and drawing settings, and boom, you can see it is already showing the Columbia, the West zone, and everything is in its place like we want. We don't want to save this drawing, so we can simply click on no. Now we have seen how to actually set the project, create a template of your own that could be used for the future drawings. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.